guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone that already blocked you on Instagram. It's really simple, so let's get into it. Here, as you can see, I have 3 accounts. I already blocked myself from this main account. I blocked Ali and John YouTube, and then from the account Ali and John YouTube, I blocked IFT Alina. So if I go and search with this account, if I go and search Ali and John YouTube, I cannot find this account. So as you can see, I cannot find that account. This first account, it's not mine. It's just a coincidence. It doesn't have at the end YouTube. So then if I go to my other account, I will show you that I blocked IFT Alina too. So as you can see, I cannot find this account. And then if you want to unblock that person that already blocked you, you have to create a third account like I just did, Enzo, my dog friend. Or if you have a conversation with that person, you can just go there, click on it, and then click on unblock. But if you don't have a conversation, I will show you how to do it. So I will go ahead and log in with my third account, and I will create a group chat with those 2 accounts. So I will go right here, and then I will click in the right corner from the top of the page, right here, and then I will search for those accounts. So I will choose this account and then Ali and John. And then click on chat, and then you have to say hello. And then if I go and log in with my other account, with my main account, so I'll go right here. And then if I go to messages, and then if I go to request, as you can see, I have this request right here, Ali and 1 more. So click on that. Then you have to click on stay in group, and then you have to click on accept. And then if you go to this icon in the right corner from the top of the page, and if you scroll down, as you can see here, we have Ali and John YouTube blocked. So you can just click on blocked and just click on unblock. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.